In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add password-protected pages to your Notion website. This is a fantastic way to secure sensitive information and ensure that only those with the correct credentials can access specific content on your site. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Notion. Once you've logged in, find the page you wish to protect. If you don't have the page open yet, simply click on the desired page on the left sidebar of your Notion workspace. It's important to ensure you're on the right page because this is where you'll be setting your password protection. Next, you'll need to click on the three dots, often labeled as More Options, located at the top right corner of your Notion page. This opens up a variety of functions and tools at your disposal. Here you'll find the option to lock the page. By selecting Lock, you effectively prevent any unauthorized edits or views from individuals without a password. This is particularly useful for collaborative workspaces where you want certain information to remain confidential. Once you've clicked Lock Page, Notion will secure the page for you. But what if you need just a bit more control? Perhaps setting a specific password? Well, Notion has got you covered. In the Settings D section of your workspace, there's a detailed menu for user account preferences. Head over to your account settings, which you can access by clicking on the settings icon near your user profile. Within this section, you have the option to set a password specifically for your Notion workspace. By doing this, you create an extra layer of security for your Notion pages, ensuring that only users who possess the password can gain access. Remember, setting up a password is a crucial step if you're dealing with sensitive or proprietary information that requires additional security layers. It's simple, but plays a massive role in maintaining the privacy and integrity of your workspace. Make sure to choose a strong, unique password to bolster your security even more. Also, don't forget to note it down securely or use a password manager to remember it. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a password-protected page in Notion. By following these steps, you've enhanced the security of your important documents, ensuring that only those with permission can view or edit your content. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for safeguarding your Notion workspace. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay safe and organized.